This is the easiest way to start making money if you don't know where to start. Get a piece of paper and write down every possible business opportunity you know exists, and near that write the number you would like to earn per month. For example, first, in affiliate marketing I will earn $4,500 per month. That's easy, it's $150 per day. If you are selling a product that costs $30, you need to sell 5 of them every day and you'll achieve your goal. I know it's not that simple, but I believe you'll find the way. Then next business idea, Fiverr video editor, I will earn $1,500 per month. And just continue that way until you get at least 10 business ideas you could start right now. If you don't know about opportunities, Google it out. Start asking your brain and Google about it. When you have at least 10 ideas on the paper, go through them and think about every idea. Do you see yourself doing that? How do you feel about that idea? If you feel excited and you believe you can make it happen, start now, because in most situations, a good feeling means a good idea and opportunity. A bad feeling is a bad idea. Your body can't lie. The most important thing is to try starting your first business without money, or at least as low as possible. This was Mr. Salvatore speaking. If you decide to follow me, thank you very much, it means a lot to me. In just 63 days we've come from 0 to 400,000 followers. This big community was my dream when I was a kid.